Welcome back, Crammers, to question 9. Pasha invests $50,000 in a savings account for 4 years. He gets 1.3% per year compound interest. Work out the amount of money Pasha will have in his savings account by the end of the 4 years, correct to the nearest dollar. So the total will equal to 50,000 because this is the initial amount multiplied by 1 plus the percentage. So 1.3 divided by 100 to the power of 4. We can simply put this into a calculator and get our answer. 50,000 multiplied by 1 plus 1.3 divided by 100 to the power of 4. We get 52651.14. Total is equal to 52651.14, and we round it down to the nearest dollar. Total is equal to 52651 dollars. So it's equal to $52,651. Thanks for watching. Cram then scram.